Kid ambassadors love reading. I'm Peter Broger. Not only am I a kid ambassador, I'm a reading ambassador. My class and I have been working on a project that brings together two of my favorite things, books and dogs. I think a kid ambassador because it gives me a chance to show other kids that we can do stuff even though we're just kids. And here's what I did with my classmates. Selena, can you tell me about the book and how class made it?
The book happened because Mrs. B she was searching online and she found Sophie. And she wanted another dog, so she rescued Sophie from Taiwan. After the first 2 paragraphs, we wrote parts and we interviewed Miss B to get some things to know about Sophie and about therapy dogs. We split up into groups and we did airport, home, interviews, and all. I guess the whole class just wanted to feel more about it, and that's why my teacher had us write a book about her.
And now let's talk to Mrs. B, Sophie's rescue. Can you tell me about Sophie here?
Sophie is not as big as a regular Bernese mountain dog. She was stunted in her early years, so she's very, very short. She comes over with a fabulous personality.
Oh, do you think it was meaningful for this class to be part of Sophie's story?
Yes, I do. It was the beginning of last year when I asked Mrs. Crawford to consider following a story about Sophie and how she came over from Taiwan. There is a project called the Taiwan Project, and the Golden Retriever Rescue Group goes out and finds dogs that are good candidates to come over to the United States, and we find them good homes. And she was finding some Berneses there, and I happen to love Berneses, so that's how I found Sophie. And there are over, what did we say in the interview, over 500,000 dogs plus that are roaming the streets of Taiwan. And she will be taking classes to learn how to be a therapy dog, so she can join us in the PAWS reading room here at Wagner Holt.
Look how excited we are about that. The best thing about this interview was that this is my class and you're my teacher.
I think this was a chance for the kids to do some authentic writing, because so many things we have to do are tests where it tells you exactly what you have to write and what the topic is. And this was something that was interesting for the kids to be able to write from the point of view of a dog. It gave them a chance to write with the point of view. It also gave them a chance to be part of something bigger than themselves. So we're writing a book that's actually reaching out to people and telling them about these dogs that need help, and maybe some dogs will get saved because of our book.
Remember Sophie's story next time you're looking for a furry friend. If you want to learn more about this rescue project, you can go to Facebook, Rescue Love from Taiwan. Go local!